Question number 1. Which insect makes a buzzing sound? B. Question number 2. Which small insect can lift things heavier than its body? Ant. Question number 3. Which small animal has a shell on its back? Turtle. Question number 4. Which small animal squeaks? Rat. Question number 5. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Question number 6. What do pandas mainly eat? Bamboo. Question number 7. Which bird can fly backward? Your support matters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.